We are going to make Napolitana dough now. 4 ingredients: water, salt, fresh yeast and Caputo 00 flour. Only 4 ingredients, what could possibly go wrong? We are going to weigh all of the ingredients. For the accuracy, it's really important. We need 1 kilo of flour. I have got the yeast measured. Only a gram is required, and we are going to crumble it into the flour. And finally, add all of the water in. And here we go, mixing the dough. You see the salt here? Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. We are going to add it later on to the dough, because if we added it now, the salt would steal the water from the flour, and that would make the dough less elastic eventually. And this method is called Autolysing. Now that the flour has absorbed all of the water, we can take it out and get on with the kneading. Special little technique that is called rock and rolling, because what you're doing with the dough is you are rolling and rocking it. Why would you need to knead the dough? What is the point? The idea is to get that water into the flour. Okay, look at the dough now. It's very craggy, lumpy, and also it breaks easily. There's no elasticity to it. This is because the flour hasn't absorbed the water enough. By kneading it, we'll help the flour to absorb the water and to develop elasticity. How long do you need to knead? It's basically until there are no lumps in the dough at all. Okay? Now we are going to tuck it into a tight ball and put it back into a bowl. And 40 minutes later, here's our dough, quite relaxed, as you can see. I'm going to wet my hand a little bit, and then it's much easier to take it out of the bowl. Gather the dough. As you can see, it's very relaxed. This is what happens to the dough when you give it some time. Not only that, but it's gone really smooth and elastic. And guess what? That happened in time. It's amazing, because time saves you a lot of work. You don't need to do too much kneading, you see, if you give it plenty of time. Now we are going to add all of the salt here. Spread it around. Spray it a little bit with water so it gets into the dough. And then we are going to rock and roll it into it. Another interesting thing is that when you roll the dough, like this, 1 roll, 2 rolls, 3 rolls, and look at now, it's not elastic anymore. And you try to stretch it, it doesn't stretch at all, but breaks. This is very important to remember, because later on, when you want to shape your dough into pizza dough, you will have to have it relaxed so that you can do it easily without it breaking. Look at this dough, it's in layers. It's been separated by the salt. So all you need to do now is get it incorporated into a lovely uniform mass of dough. You have to be patient. It takes about 10 rock and rolls. Now the dough is quite together. Last little rock and roll. And then the chafe. Remember, it's tucking the dough into a tight ball. We'll put it now back into the bowl. Spray a little bit of water to keep it moist and cover it. Shower cups are brilliant for this.